The psychophysics experiments we talked about in the last module are great to measure and then discuss the behavioral effects of different types of attention, and they only require a computer. In this module, we'll give some options for experiments getting into the more biological side of neuroscience, looking at how neurons transmit signals in the form of changing electrical potentials. There are separate videos, each discussing some experiments that can be done with different sets of equipment. The equipment we're going to talk about for recording animal or human neural activity comes from a company called Backyard Brains. These kits run in the $100 to $250 range, or down as cheap as $50 if you're willing to do some soldering to assemble the kit. I realize that this isn't super cheap for an individual, but it is very affordable compared to the thousands of dollars that research scientists typically spend on their neurophysiological recording equipment. Backyard Brains also has a whole section on their website of experiments that you can run with detailed descriptions, video tutorials, and illustrated background information. I'll be highlighting a few of these experiments, and I'll provide links to those materials on their site in the resources section. First, we'll talk about a couple experiments that you can do using something called the Spiker Box from Backyard Brains. This is a kit that will allow you to record electrical spiking activity from neurons in invertebrates like earthworms, cockroaches, or crickets. Then we'll discuss how you can record motor signals from human muscle using the Muscle Spiker Box. And since I'm currently at home due to coronavirus-related shelter-in-place orders, I thought it would also be nice to include a few options that your students can do from their houses using just household items. Obviously, these won't involve recording the activity of neurons, but we will tie them back into general neuroscience signal processing concepts.